There's something so special about seeing your own city through a visiting friend's eyes. It's like rediscovering the little things that you have taken for granted while living there, like a hidden cafe, a beautiful park, the architecture, and so on. One of my closest friends is visiting New York for the weekend, and I'm going to share my favorite spots and introduce them to the places that make New York City so special. And of course, we're going to be visiting all the touristy spots.
Good morning!
Good morning.
Where are we? We're near the Met right now. We're across the street from the Met. We're gonna give Chris a full tour of New York City.
I'm so excited.
For the first time, so we're gonna do all the touristy stuff.
Oh, for sure.
But look, the iconic steps. Well, she's somewhere there. Oh, look how pretty these buildings are. New York.
The weather's so good.
It is really good right now. But we're gonna go get food, go into the Met, and have some fun. New York! Yeah! We're at my favorite part of the Met, which is the Greek and the Romans. Because look how insane this is.
It's very natural light.
Yeah. It's like a greenhouse. And we feel like we're in Europe.
Yeah.
Europe, dude. Europe, dude.
Can I tell you something? I really need to share.
Like, this is crazy that they brought everything over.
Can't write it down, baby. You can't lose it later. Oh, wash it.
Welcome to New York. Where juice is $14.
No, but it's the fact that pineapple is $12.
Yeah. We have the vegan ones. Yeah. Thank you. You can get it. I got two.
Oh, thank you.
We're at Levain right now. Look how cute these postcards are. It's Chris's first time at Levain, so we're gonna get a first impression because there's vegan cookies, and apparently it's like better than the actual one. But there's only one flavor of vegan cookies, so
We're gonna take a
we're
look.
gonna have a first impression.
And the reason why the camera was also turned to the side, I had to remove my jacket. You have to do like a pull. Yeah, but this is
Oh, it has walnut in it. Yeah.
oh, that's pretty
Yeah. I like this one. It looks kind of dry. Is it good?
I like it. Out of 10. 7.5.
That's pretty good.
Okay.
Chris is here, and we're gonna do gacha.
I'm so excited.
Which one do you want?
I want.
I kind of want this one. Really? I was like, that's
this one.
I was like, that's the only one I don't want.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, if you
Okay.
get it, you can trade it with me.
Okay.
Because I just think
I
I
want-
fit a lot of outfits.
Oh.
Let's see. Sorry, I'm totally sure. Oh wait, I love this.
Oh my god, I love. No, please.
So cute.
I knew it. I knew I got it. I got it.
Okay, let's trade.
Are you sure?
I actually prefer this
Really?
one. But I love this one too. Yeah.
I promise.
Yeah. I
Really?
actually prefer this
Okay,
one.
really?
Yeah. So
You know what's so funny? Because I played the gachapon and I was like, I really don't want this one. I got the same one.
That's so funny.
So cute. Basically, I've been talking about Coco June and Whole Foods for the past weekend.
Yep.
She finally had it, and Chris, who's our fellow vegan, got her stamp of approval. That's what I'm saying. If the vegans like it, the carnivores like it.
I feel like it's the opposite.
No.
Mine is sour.
The bubbles taste better this time.
A little bit of shopping. Yeah, yeah, yeah. For sure, this is definitely Lady Liberty. Feel her head. Right? You can feel it, right? There's a better mirror. Chris and I are about to open our boxes. Our mystery boxes that we got at popmart.
Show them which one you want.
Oh my god, I think I'm fine with any of them, but this one, can't see it, but I want her. What'd you get?
I got the one I didn't want.
Wait, I want that one.
We can trade.
Oh.
Wait, which one?
Do her?
Yes, please. I prefer this over
Thank you. I want another one.
I want the one that I want.
Should we go back?
I have about.
It's cute. It's really pretty. We're currently at the Grand Bazaar.
I got a ring.
She got a ring. Is there anything else in mind that you were trying to look for? More rings. And gifts for friends. Okay. Yeah, because they got me some stuff.
Oh, they were bought as well.
Aww, that's sweetheart. Wait, this is so. That's very cool.
Oh, no, bro.
Wait, look at this.
That's very cool.
Tomorrow, the fact that I'm not trying to hit him. I'm so excited. Oh my god, that one's chunky. Wait, my arm's so flat. We both got little sandals. We took a little break in the museum to get fairy tones. Okay, let's eat. Okay.
坐下，坐下。哇 Thank you for bringing it in.
Of course, it's always fun.
It's 3 a.m. and we're gonna make matcha. Wait, did you get 2? No. Oh wait, so you
I love it when my friends or family visits because every visit is so special and different. There's a sense of joy in making a new memory together while you navigate the familiarity and also the new while you're trotting around the city to complete a new adventure. Let's go get matcha, get some work done, and then I'm actually gonna head over to Times Square Central Park area to go grab some breakfast with my friend. And then we're actually going to a Taiwanese event today, which is pretty cool because it's for like Taiwan tourism. And as a Taiwanese, like Taiwanese American, this is really cool to be invited to one of these. So I'm really excited to hear what is up with Taiwan tourism these days. So let's do our morning routine and then we can head over to Central Park area. My really like liquidy toners like this. I hate that it like drips down like tears almost. So I just put it in like a mist bottle and just spray. And then it gets all the little spots on your face, but also doesn't get in your eyes. And doesn't drip all the way down. So that's a skincare hack. My ride or die moisturizer, it's not fanciest, but it does the job. Does not clog your pores, moisturizes your dehydrated skin.
just in case. Egg, bacon, everything bagel. What'd you get?
My regular bacon, egg, and cheese with the scallion cream
Yum.
cheese on an everything bagel.
Cheers.
Everything to me.
Currently heading towards Times Square. Look at this Lady Liberty. Anyways, going towards Times Square. I'm gonna go to the Taiwanese event now. I'm kind of excited. I'm hoping that I can meet some fellow Taiwanese Americans over there. I don't know how many people are gonna be able to attend this event, but excited. And I'm just eating up all this architecture. Like moving to New York, I realized that I really enjoy looking at buildings. Like that's what makes me happy recently. Looking at buildings. It's the little things that make New York really fun. But right now it's because the weather's not too cool and it's like perfect. So I can walk around.